Hi friends, Drake from Dragon Divination here with another Oracle deck flip through. Today I'm looking at Intuitive Whispers Oracle by Maud Hurst, artwork by Lori Mena, 44 card deck, nice hard box. There is a guidebook, no pictures but plenty of description in there. The cardstock is nice and thick and beautiful, very soft, kind of a rose petal. Let's look at the deck. Fill up your cup. Feel into emotions. Crown activation. Oh, I'm sorry, crown activation. Your body is like a book. Tells a story. Gratitude from the past. Move through your fear. Very beautiful deck. The artwork is gorgeous. No borders. Feel, don't think. The precious present moment. Community calls. Let your ship set sail. What is meant for you will find you. Split your focus. Slow down. Let go of control. Become your own priority. Saw that in a reading not too long ago. Trust the call. The power of silence. Oh, I heard something really great. What does what I have to say improve upon the silence? I thought that was pretty cool. Intuitive journaling. The magic of nothingness. It's time to shine. Your soul knows. Vulnerability is power. Trust yourself. The artwork is amazing. Gift yourself. Ground from the root. Move your body to move your emotion. Your mind, your body, your soul. Clear limiting beliefs. You are brilliant. Explore fullness. Listen from the heart. Emotions are energy in motion. That's cool. Message from the third eye. Throat release. You're more powerful than you know. Isn't that true? Wisdom of the solar plexus. Spacious mind and soul. Let this be your sign. Unraveling. Release old patterns. Stop pushing and striving. Inspiration hunt. Tap into your sacral power. And one next step. Overall, a beautiful deck. I'm quite happy to have this in my catalog of many decks. If you need to have this, the link will be in the Amazon affiliate link below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps the channel. If you'd like to support me in another way, my Etsy site is down there, and so is my Patreon. Please be the magic, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.